This video was requested by a very special person who was turning 14 this year. They wanted the number to be decorated with matches because they wanted to burn the number as we all sang them a happy birthday song. And you can see that by the end of the video. I spray painted the cardboard in burgundy before I use the matches. But make sure you let it completely dry before this step. At first I wanted to fill up the number completely with the matches. That would have looked so cool, especially after we burned it. But they were kind of expensive, so the number size that they wanted was quite large. And just tracing them with matches, well, I think it costed maybe around $18 to $20. So just think how much it would cost me if I actually bought so many more matches to actually fill up the numbers. But thankfully this worked out perfectly. Just tracing them with matches was good enough, but I can't help but think how cool it would look if it was completely filled up with matches. Oh, that would look epic, but probably I would have to pay $100 just in matches, and that wasn't worth it. But it looked good enough, just the way it is. I use pushpins to hang these numbers on the wall. At first I was planning to use command strips, but since the number is going to be on the wall only for maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour, I thought it would not be worth it to even stick these command strips on the wall. So I just used pushpins, and they worked out perfectly, as you can see. In reality, it looked even better. It was completely dark, and as the birthday person lit up the matches of these numbers, we all sang them happy birthday, and they had family and friends on FaceTime as well, and they too sang the happy birthday song. And then they asked, what was your favorite memory for 14 years of your life? And it was so fun, you know, to watch them think of the memory, and they were actually quite quick. They had a memory that obviously they thought of it before, but it was really, really, really beautiful. The smile on the person's face was priceless.